everybody. Chef Brian here from Gooder Cooking Show at Mari-Mann Herbs. How's everybody doing today? By the way, now it's winter time. There's snow on the ground. COVID still stinks. That's where we're at. Hey, we got some fun ones today. I got to introduce a friend of mine, Brian Reed from Refreshment Services Pepsi, and that is the gentleman right here that got my banner all printed up for myself, and we are good to go here at the Gooder Cooking Show. I've been asked Brian to come in and talk about a couple items that Pepsi has, and we're going to make Dr. Pepper carrots. It's just not to drink and not to put vodka in. What? Hey, we got a little bit too excited. We got to slow down here for a second before we do anything else. We got to say hello to going back to school, sophomore high school student, camera guy. Hi, camera guy.
Okay, Brian. So,
no, wait a minute. Are you talking Brian or Brian?
the better looking one.
Oh! Did you say you wanted to get paid for today?
I love you.
Okay. Anyway.
Any way you can serve vanilla Coke, vanilla Pepsi to me is just way too sweet.
Vanilla Coke.
Vanilla Coke.
You do realize he works for Pepsi. Okay, that's enough. All right.
That's not a thing, is it?
It is.
When Brian sells to me at Milliken, I always come over and first thing I usually ask him is, excuse me, you got a Diet Coke? Hey.
Right.
So here we're going to do. This is so simple, so fun. This is a proven recipe. We did this at a barbecue a while back, and it's like, we're going to do this again. So here we're going to do. First off, I got my oil going, so we're good to go. I got some cool, fun cut carrots. My mandolin, I cut them on that. Got some fun shapes for you. Real simple. Here's the beauty. They're cut thin, so they're going to cook pretty quick, right? So in they go. You can hear the oil talking to us, and that's what we're looking for. So in the carrots go. Now, as we know, it wouldn't be cooking around here at Mari-Mann if we didn't add our Gooder seasoning. So we're going to add a little bit of Gooder seasoning and a little bit of parsley. And we're going to let them cook for just a minute, and we're going to come back to them. So anyway, my friend Brian's here from Pepsi. You know what? Pepsi just isn't soda. And I really believe in today's society, soda is getting a bad rap. I think food needs to be looked at as well as beverage, wine, coffee, the whole bit, in moderation. Do you agree?
Absolutely.
You can enjoy
moderation and movement.
You can move. Wait, you expect me to get up?
I wasn't speaking to you specifically.
I'm an American. I don't have to move around.
You look great, by the
Shut up. Hey, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook with some soda, beautiful syrup, sugar. It's the right thing to do with carrots, right? You know, it's the one part, the mirepoix. Lots of sugar in there. We're just going to raise it up a little bit, right? So what, Brian, you got some other items from Pepsi that people can get. Now, where can they get these types of things?
So specifically here in town, this is more of a local brand that Pepsi has picked up on a national level called Bubbler. It's a antioxidant sparkling water. It's actually got some juice in it, so there's a lot of natural sugars in there. It's a zero sugar item, but the juice does add a little bit of calories. There's some natural energy to it, but they're real flavorful, very, very light. People are using them for all kinds of things. You can get these here locally at your county markets.
Oh, okay. Gas stations?
Local gas stations, yes, absolutely.
Kroger,
yeah,
blah, blah, okay.
It's a growing brand. I brought a pomegranate acai refresher today.
Hey. It's a family operation.
Right,
Watch your mouth.
exactly. And a blood orange mango mingler. We also have a new potato berry that's actually a cactus fruit. Amazing flavors. Anytime we sample this or people try this, they're just blown away by it. So check it out next time you're in the stores. I got to tell you, on these carrots too, we made these at home one night after the barbecue. And my boys, I have an 18-year-old and a 11-year-old, and neither of them, if we had stewed carrots on the table, wouldn't touch them. They just wouldn't. But these, they ate and wanted to know if there was any left. So this is a fantastic recipe.
What a concept, right?
Yeah, right.
So
right.
a little bit of Dr. Pepper.
How much did you use there in that pan of carrots?
I don't
About
know.
half. That's a half liter, so you used about 8 ounces.
I don't know, whatever.
Right.
We here at the Gooder Cooking Show, Brian, we don't get that technical. We have fun with food, and that's what we're trying to show people is
absolutely
that, you know what, you can do food, you can have fun with food, carrots and soda. Come on, man. a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of love. The
Gooder
beauty of it is the length of the video is going to be the length of how long it takes for these carrots to be cooked. And I would recommend that you watch a few other videos coming up because you're going to see these come again in some plate presentation, because you just can't, you know, not serve our Dr. Pepper carrots. So a little bit of parsley on there. That's a personal thing. So Brian, they got Pepsi, you got Diet Pepsi, you got Mountain Dew, Sierra Mist.
Sierra Mist, mug root beer, all the flavors of all
Gatorade.
that stuff. Gatorade's a Pepsi
Isn't there a
product.
new Gatorade flavor that's out?
Gatorade flavor?
I thought that
Well, they got all the Gatorade Zeros now, the 0 calorie
Gatorade Zeros.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
very
yeah.
good.
Yeah, Bolt is a new Gatorade item that's got some different vitamins and stuff in it.
Okay.
That's what you're thinking.
And then now, does your boss, and not your boss at work, who cares about your boss
Right,
at work,
right, right.
make sure you show the video that we don't know.
That we just heard that? Yeah,
Your
yeah.
boss,
Yes,
you know what I'm
the
saying?
real one.
The real
Yes,
boss.
the home boss.
Mrs. Pehr, you know what I'm saying?
Right, right.
What is her favorite drink that you bring home for her?
She is a bubbly fan.
Bubbly.
That is the
And that's not Michael,
sparkling flavored water.
not Michael Bublé, that's bubbly.
Well, it depends. If you ask Michael, it's definitely bubbly. But yeah, officially it's bubbly.
It's bubbly.
But yeah, she's a huge fan of those drinks, and that's a growing item. It's doing great.
Hey, another one we're going to be shooting here real soon too, coming up, is our lemon thyme jelly and Mountain Dew cucumber salad.
That was amazing.
That was a winner,
Absolutely
wasn't it?
amazing. And you wouldn't think normally about using the beverages as an ingredient to the food, but man, they made a huge, just a whole different taste and
We took the Mountain Dew and replaced a lot of the oil and things with it. Lots of flavor there. Mountain Dew's been around for how long? You know,
absolutely.
it's great
Very
stuff.
citrusy. Yep.
Yeah.
You bet.
So our carrots have been cooking for a few minutes here, and they've already limped because they were cut real nice and thin on the mandolin. The beauty of it is, ladies and gentlemen, they're done. That's how simple this recipe is. My
That's
friend
crazy.
Brian Reed, thank
Yeah.
you for the
Thank you
sponsorship.
for having me.
It's been great because the signs, the sponsors, those types of things. We got lots of things going on here at Mari-Mann and at the Gooder Cooking Show, but a couple things we always got to remember. Cooking Gooder will bring out the love in your food, and always, always, always remember, thank a veteran. That's why we're having these goofy shoes. Hey, goofy shoes. Hey, how you doing? Goofy shows. Hey, talk to you real soon. Thanks, guys. Bye now.
now.